Now that we've organized the homepage product collection, it's time to do some organization of the individual collections, right? The overall categories as well as the subcategories. It's going to be very, very similar to the homepage lesson, except for one big difference. We're not going to be as concerned about expressing the breadth of products anymore and the product selection, because they've already got a glimpse of that based on the homepage collection. And if they really want to know about breadth, they can just see the subcategories, which is usually how they're going to get into the collection level anyways. So we're really going to be prioritizing, number one, having continuity and professionalism, and then number two, prioritizing higher conviction products at the top and bestsellers at the top. So I'm going to be fooling around with two collections. One is going to be the overall dining category, right, which is a collection. And then one is going to be a subcategory within that category, mugs and more. So mugs and more, it's its own collection page. It's just a part of the overall dine. So all of the products in mugs and more are also going to be in dine. And this is basically how navigation was set up. So taking a look at this collection, what do I notice? It's kind of messy from the perspective that this thing is on a gray background, this thing's on white, this thing's on white, right? This thing is kind of a semi in between, white, lifestyle. Take a look at the second page. Yeah, just very disorganized. Now, unlike the home page, it's not as important that everything is on a very similar background or very similar style. At the collection level, we're just going to be prioritizing that things are continuous at the page level, meaning we want everything on page 1 to seem like it's very continuous, and then everything on page 2 to seem like it's very continuous. And if there's not enough products to accomplish that, well, at the very least, what we're going to do is make sure that all the lifestyle ones appear first, followed by all the white backgrounds and other weird backgrounds. So in order to change the order of this collection, I'm going to go into Shopify, products, collections, mugs and more. This is going to be the first one that we're going to be working with, right? And we're going to make sure that this thing is going to be sorted by manually rather than A to Z. So this collection has already been sourced. I'm just going to make it look pretty. So easy to do. You just simply drag and drop. So we see this is lifestyle. There's a mug. So I'm going to move this mug up here as well. And it gets even more effective. You can actually select multiple things, right? So I'm going to put this one. This one seems like it's lifestyle, 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 right? See how I can just select it like this. And this is so easy to do. And this really helps out. So now I'm going to move everything, right? We're going to move it not to the top. We're going to move it to a position where the lifestyles just end at number 4. So I'm going to move these products to 4, and I'm going to click move. And bam, all the lifestyle ones are going to be appearing first. Next up, we'll kind of have the grayish backgrounds ones because there's so little of them left. I'm just going to be able to manually do it, right? Awesome. And then it kind of goes into the white. So let's take a look at what this collection looks like now, right? Way more professional. You're scrolling down. You're like, wow, all this is part of the same shoot. You don't even realize there's white products. And once you do get onto the white products, then they're kind of all grouped together. Ideally, what I would have done or instructed my team to do this next time around is just add in more of these lifestyle products. So at least we can have a full first page of lifestyle, and then second page is when things start getting onto the white backgrounds. And keep in mind, I don't know what my best sellers are. My guess is they're going to be mugs, and my guess is also the lifestyle images for home stuff is going to sell a lot better, which is why I prioritized it this way. So now let's do it for the bigger collection, which is going to be dining, right? Click on this one, and it seems pretty organized so far, which is honestly great. Wow, so this one was done very well. This is exactly how you should do it. There's some disorganization now, right? And then it goes into white backgrounds. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to go into the collection, go into dining, and then this one was created with tags as well. Change it to manual, and it's going to seem very tedious, but so easy to do. Since there's more lifestyle ones than probably white background ones, what I'm going to do is keep an eye out for the white background ones, and I'm just going to move them towards the end. So this one right here, this one as well, all of these. Okay. This one's kind of in between us. So I will move it towards the bottom. And yep, obviously all of this stuff as well. Not that one. This one. And this. Perfect. So these are already at the bottom. And I just click bottom. Right? And bam, it's been reordered. Now keep in mind, I don't know what my best sellers are, right? Where else that would be one of the big important metrics that I'm going to be indexing on. But let's just take a look at how much better it looks now. We go into Dyn. Wow, right? Very, very cool. Very, very awesome. Looks way more continuous. And you can even get more tactical and kind of group products together. So you could choose to put all the bowls together and then all the sets and then all the mugs. That's even a higher level of organization. I've usually found that even if it's kind of random like this, it's still nice enough. But yeah, if you really wanted to get granular, you can organize it by both picture style and product type. And that's how you organize collection pages.